In this video, we'll look at the differences between the prepositions across and across from. On one side of the street, there is a post office, a grocery store, and a gas station. On the other side of the street, there's a library and a park. The post office and the grocery store are across from the library. The gas station is across from the park, or the park is across from the gas station. You could also simply say across. So here's the park. The gas station is across the street. Here is a library. The grocery store and the post office are across the street. If I include the word library, then I'll use the word from. The post office and the grocery store are across the street from the library. Or across from the library are the post office and the grocery store. They're both across the street. So if I'm standing here and I'm looking over here, then I'm looking across the street. I'm looking at the grocery store. The grocery store is across the street. If I include the word library, the grocery store is across the street from the library. The word across can also mean that something is everywhere, or things are everywhere, or in many places. As an example, schools across the country are open. Schools all over the United States are now open because it's September. People use cell phones all across the world. So everywhere you go on planet Earth, people use cell phones. You can also start with all across the world, people use cell phones. It's not necessary to use all in front of across, but this word helps to emphasize that it's everywhere. If it's all across the world or all across the country, then it's everywhere in that location.